Ever wondered if the future of automated investing looks less like a robot and more like a custom-built machine? For years, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront have been the gold standard for hands-off, low-cost investing. You answer a few questions, they build a diversified portfolio of ETFs, and a computer does the rest. It's simple, elegant, and it's brought professional-grade investing to the masses. But what if you wanted that same automation, those low fees, but with a little more control over what you actually own? Enter M1 Finance. M1 isn't your traditional robo-advisor, and that's precisely why it's shaking up the industry. It's often described as the perfect blend of a brokerage and a robo-advisor. But what does that really mean for your money? Is M1 truly better, or is it just a niche option? Let's break down the key differences to help you decide. The biggest difference comes down to customization versus curation. Traditional robo-advisors are built on the concept of curation. They offer a small set of pre-built, expert-designed portfolios, often labeled things like aggressive, moderate, or conservative. While these are globally diversified and tax-efficient, you can't go in and swap out one ETF for another. You have to buy the whole portfolio as is. M1 Finance, on the other hand, gives you the power of customization. Here, a portfolio is called a pie. You can build your pie to include almost any stock or ETF traded on major exchanges, Google, Tesla, an S&P 500 fund, a REIT ETF. It's all fair game. You decide the percentage for each slice of the pie. You get total control over the underlying assets, which is something you just can't do with a traditional robo-advisor. But here's the magic, M1 then takes your custom pie and automates the hard part. It uses its dynamic rebalancing feature to automatically direct all new deposits and dividends to the underperforming or underweight slices of your pie, ensuring your portfolio always stays true to the percentages you set. It's the control of a brokerage account with the automation of a robo-advisor. Now let's talk about fees. For the most part, M1 Finance is free. They charge no management fees, no commissions, and no trading fees for standard M1 Invest accounts. Traditional robo-advisors typically charge an annual advisory fee, usually around 0.25% of your assets under management. While this is a small fee, over decades, that difference compounds significantly. On the surface, the fee structure gives a huge edge to M1. However, traditional robo-advisors like Betterment offer a few features that M1 generally doesn't, primarily tax loss harvesting. This is a powerful, automated strategy that sells investments at a loss to offset capital gains, reducing your tax bill. M1 doesn't offer automated tax loss harvesting, though they do offer M1 Plus, a premium subscription that includes some additional features. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.